For me, the thing is solving problems, meeting real-world challenges and solving them with science, and that's what gets me out of bed in the morning. We're an early-stage startup. We make food diagnostic tests, and we actually develop completely new food diagnostic tests. And that's for food manufacturers and processors to use on their sites. And we do that using biotechnology and high-tech engineering. So if we go back 10 years to the very first iteration of this technology, we called it CyberNose, and it literally took up 2/3 of this bench. This was actually our second version of the prototype. The new version, which will be out in a couple of weeks, is actually about this big and way simpler to use. For our customers, it is potentially going to revolutionize the way they do some of their food testing, and it's going to speed up their receival of products. It's going to speed up and take uncertainty out of the actual in-process work they do.
For me, it's been really a fantastic time. I joined 1.5 years ago, and we took a lot of the concepts that we earlier on developed to make everything simpler. But with the first funding, we could actually realize these concepts. And within 12 months, we could show that they actually work.
Eventually, we want to test everything in all foods, but we start off with something much narrower than that. We're focusing initially on milk, processed milk. One of the things we're doing is we measure the amount of protease, but we also need to tell our customers what that means. So if you have this much protease, will your milk be okay or won't it be okay? If I was to design the best place for us to be, it would look like the SEAT Hub, I think. It's a joy to come in here. It really is. It's a nice, easy environment to work in with like-minded people, and the location is fantastic. So I'm originally, and our technology is out of CSIRO, so we're within walking distance, less than 5 minutes to my former colleagues, and we've collaborated with them. It's gone from an idea of a business to being a business. It's been a complete transformation over the 4 years we've been here. I've had a ball because we set out with a vision, and every time you see something work or you solve a problem, it's just a huge buzz. I mean, that's really why we do this, I think.